Hey, this is James again with JJ Media and Online Services. Today I'm bringing you an alternative to Microsoft Office. It's easy to get caught up in different programs, purchasing this, purchasing that, but I'm going to bring you a free alternative to Microsoft Office, and I will have the download link in the description. So make sure that you subscribe, you share, and go below to connect with us on our social media channels. Also, if you comment, please comment about a product you want to review, tips that you want, and make sure that you invite all of your friends to connect with us. So we're going to go to the computer and we will show you this free software. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we really want to connect with you. Hit the subscribe button, share this with your friends on social media, and then below in the description, connect with us on our social media channels. We have affiliate links that you can sign up with and purchase products. We also have email lists that you can sign up with, but most of all, subscribe, connect with us on our YouTube channel. So if you have any desires that you would like to see, any tech, any product reviews that you would like, please comment below. Every comment that is below, we give a free download or free video intro or something. Everyone that comments gets something free. So comment below. Thank you for watching this video, and we will get back video. All right, we are here on our computer, and many of you may have already heard of it, but it's called Apache Open Office. And I had used it. It's been around for a good 15 or more years. I think it's even longer than that, because I had used it before I could actually afford a Microsoft Office. But you can actually use this to do kind of the basic same thing that you do for word processing, but this is, and let me just go through this and show you. The text document covers Word, spreadsheet is like Excel, presentation is like PowerPoint. They do have a drawing program which is similar to Publisher, and then the database is like Access, and I haven't ever used the formula. I assume that is something that you can create with a spreadsheet using formulas. But what I'm going to do is just do the basic text document. And so basically you have everything pretty well works the same. It looks just slightly different than Microsoft Office, but you can go ahead and, okay, testing this new Office program, and you can actually do everything the same. You can highlight, you can increase the font, bold, change the font color, pretty much how you always do with Microsoft Office. The nice thing about it is when you go to download, you can save as, actually you can export as a PDF, so you can actually create a PDF with this, save as, and when you go to save as, you have the option of saving it as a Microsoft Word. That way, all the different options there, that way you can actually send someone that uses Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is a very prevalent program, and you can go ahead and send it to them, and you can open up Microsoft Office products in here too. But this is just the text kind of making sure, or kind of similar to Microsoft Word. So I wanted to show you this. I'll have the download link in the description. And also, if you would like some tips and some helps with how to use this and even the presentation, I use Microsoft PowerPoint a lot. So if you would like a video of how to use the presentation from this free Open Office, this is a totally free program. You download and you can use it. So if you don't have the money for Microsoft Office, I highly suggest you get this. So I hope you enjoyed this, and comment below, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep bringing you other things. So thanks for watching. We will see you in our next video.